Why you should hire local process servers over nationwide chains. In the midst of certain legal situations, such as lawsuits, a process server's services will become necessary at different points in time. And the work that he or she does can make or break a case. That is why hiring the best person to fill that role is crucial. Proper service on the intended parties is a critical portion of the judicial process. That is why there are many factors to consider when choosing the best Baton Rouge process server for your needs or the needs of your client, if you are an attorney. However, it is almost always best to trust a local process server over one that is part of a nationwide network. Here are just a few of the reasons why this is true. Knowledge of local laws and regulations. If a process server is local to the area, he or she has intrinsic familiarity with the particular state and local laws regarding service of process in the jurisdiction in which they work. That means your local process server is less likely to make mistakes, and there are bound to be less delays due to misunderstandings by those from out of town. Familiarity with the area. If a Metairie process server is local, then he or she operates exclusively in a specific geographical limit. That means the server knows his or her county or city like the back of his or her hand. And this in-depth knowledge cannot be duplicated by an out-of-towner. Knowing neighborhoods and streets innately means saving time doing research or getting lost and simply serving the intended recipients faster. Proximity to local courts. Documents are served faster and more efficiently due to this reason alone. After all, affidavits of service, which prove service of process with the court, can be filed right away, so timeliness is never an issue. This alone saves so much time and frustration, reducing the usual delays in the legal process. Established relationships with local legal professionals. This automatically means that local process servers know law enforcement officers, attorneys, and court personnel, and can use these connections to get any job done more efficiently. This network of nearby professionals will most likely extend professional courtesies to one of their own, making service of process quicker and easier. Understanding of local people. Local process servers have the advantage of understanding the communication style and culture of nearby residents, making service of process more attentive and personalized. This is especially handy when working with folks hailing from diverse communities that deserve respect and understanding that they may not otherwise receive from those that aren't from the area. Availability for taking last-minute jobs. Local process servers can take on an immediate request, where time may be of the essence, since they won't have to travel far to complete the job. This is important because legal matters can change on a dime without prior warning, and litigants must always be informed of when their appearances are required in court. In conclusion, there are many reasons why you should consider hiring a local process server over one that is part of a larger nationwide company. These are just a few. Please keep in mind that we are not attorneys, though we work with them as a legal support services company in Lafayette. If you have any legal questions about what is discussed here, please be sure to address them with a licensed attorney in your area. Sources: Baton Rouge process servers, hiring local process servers versus nationwide. ServeNow, local process server benefits. National Association of Professional Process Servers. Why hire a process server? Metairie process servers, process server near me. Indeed, how to become a process server. Louisiana Law Help, understanding service of process. ZipRecruiter, how to become a process server. Lafayette process servers, hiring local process servers versus nationwide.